Welcome to This Explainer. Let's find out if you're actually ready to crush those national biology exams. We're diving into the unseen world today, from the fermented foods we eat to the illnesses we fight. Okay, first question. What's the one hidden trait every single microorganism has in common? Any guesses? They're completely invisible to the naked eye. And don't fall for the trap. Most are actually harmless.
Next up, the ultimate biological rule breakers, viruses. Why are they considered on the borderline of life?
Well, without a host cell, they're literally like a smartphone with a dead battery. Totally useless.
Plus, they never actually grow. In fact, viruses are the absolute smallest of all microbes.
Let's bring this closer to home. What actually ferments our daily staples like Indra or ergo? It's bacteria. They act like tiny chefs. A lot of people guess fungi, but that's a trap. Speaking of fungi, let's talk medicine. Where does the life-saving antibiotic penicillin actually come from?
From a fungus, it literally deploys chemical weapons to destroy invading bacteria.
Definitely don't mix those up.
Now meet the enemy, pathogens. These are disease-causing microbes, kind of like stubborn weeds in your garden. Exams love mixing these up. You've got to memorize which specific pathogen causes which disease to dodge traps. So let's test that out right now. Which microorganism is actually responsible for causing malaria? Just think of the mosquito as a taxi driver. The real villain is the passenger.
The trap is blaming the mosquito itself. The true cause is the protozoan parasite hiding inside.
Okay, next challenge. Which specific system in the human body does HIV target first? It goes straight for the immune system, your defending army. Don't let respiratory distractors fool you. All right, last biology question. What's our absolute best defense to stop the spread of these pathogens? Hand washing. Soap acts like a slippery floor, breaking microbes apart so they just wash down the drain. Okay, surprise time. This entire super effective exam quiz was actually generated by an AI framework. We call it the real teacher prompt. It forces AI to actively teach, not just summarize stuff. By demanding clever analogies and exposing sneaky exam traps, you honestly end up learning so much faster. So what subject will you master next? Will AI eventually replace textbooks or just make you unstoppable?